A smooth-running engine is all about timing, but if your fuel system loses its rhythm, you are going to feel it every time you step on the gas. When you plug in your scanner and see the code P062EE, it means the powertrain control module has detected a performance problem with the fuel injector driver circuit for Bank 2. For those who do not know, Bank 2 is the side of your engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. The fuel injector driver is the specific part of your car brain that tells each injector exactly when to spray fuel and for how long by sending a quick ground pulse. Since your injectors have constant battery voltage when the key is on, that ground pulse is what actually fires the fuel into the cylinder. If the computer sees a feedback signal that is not what it expects, it sets this code and turns on the malfunction indicator lamp immediately. You will notice your fuel economy dropping off, the engine misfiring or shaking, and a major hesitation when you try to accelerate away from a stoplight. The causes can range from a simple shorted wire in the injector harness to a dead fuel injector, or even a failure inside the powertrain control module itself. To find the fix, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter and an oscilloscope because a regular scanner is too slow to catch a glitching injector pulse. Start with a visual inspection of the wiring on the Bank 2 side of the motor. Look for any wires that have melted against the exhaust manifold or rubbed through their insulation. Never try to patch a fuel injector wire with a simple twist and tape job because it will skew the signal and cause even more codes. Use your oscilloscope to watch the voltage wave pattern for each injector while the engine is running. If you see an inconsistent pattern on one cylinder, replace that injector and recheck. If the injectors and all the wiring test out perfectly, then the driver circuit inside the computer has likely failed. This is a severe code that needs to be handled with urgency to avoid flooding your engine with fuel or damaging your expensive catalytic converters. If you are not comfortable with high-speed electrical testing, it is best to see an IESEE certified technician who can pinpoint the driver failure before you start replacing parts blindly. Keeping your fuel system in top shape is the only way to ensure your engine stays powerful and efficient for years to come.